How's everybody doing? My name's Tommy, and this is the Gallery Backyard Barbecue. Is the Weber 22-inch Master Touch Premium the best kettle on the planet? Well, stay tuned and let's find out. Everybody, let's take a look at the box and the contents in the box. We got the Master Touch Premium 3-in-1 grilling, roasting, smoking. Little look inside the box. Quite interested to see what kind of improvements have been made. We got our usual Get Grilling Now book, and we got our Weber Grills app. We'll pluck these and file them. Packed pretty well, right, considering it's Weber, and they've had a lot of practice doing it. I'm guessing this is the diffuser plate right here by Weber. And I'm basically just letting that tape run, right? Get this unpacked. Okay, we got a little tin in here. That's a nice touch by Weber. Of course, we got our charcoal holders. I guess this would be our hood is down here. Mechanism right here. This is an automatic, or not automatic, but it's on a latch, right? An open and close on a latch on the hood. And I'm definitely looking forward to seeing that bad boy in operation. This is our Master Touch Premium Quick Start Guides, and also our assembly guide, right? We're going to need to look at that. We got our classic Weber hood. Of course, this would be the ash catcher. It's classic Weber right there. I'm sure we got some goodies inside that. Smoky Mountain, right? You're going to put your fuel in there, and it has these holes to let the air in, but we'll check in a little further into that. Of course, we got our classic Weber bottom, of course. Of course, we got some nice tires, hard plastic. Of course, we got our two legs that are going to house the wheels, and our one sturdy leg that's going to. And in here we got our bottom rack, and we got our trays and stuff that we're just going to leave here on the side. Here we go. Get this on a table. Okay, just to touch on this real quick, this is our owner's guide. Okay, they're basically going to give you the ins and outs on how do you place the pan, how to empty the ash, how to use the grill. Alrighty, so that's and this is basically here is our assembly guide. And again, it doesn't look like there's much to put in this bad boy together. So you want to get this in like this, and you have 3 tabs here. These 3 tabs are going to go right in the groove in here. A little pressure. But the tabs will definitely lock into place. Just like that. Moving Moving right along to step 2, locate these 3 little clips here and a cotter pin, and along with this leg cap. Basically what you want to do here, the little cap in like this. Alrighty, and your steady leg. Okay, these 2 here are going to house the wheels. This one's going to be you want this one to line up with your handle right here. Okay, basically you're just going to pop this in, push this in a little bit, just kind of work it in. Just kind of rock it back and forth. And there you go, until that pops out like that. This is your stable leg. I couldn't think of it before. Your stable leg. And do the same thing with these. Now they give you 2 holes here. I don't understand why. I know when you plop these in that your legs are going to have to facing like that. And you're going to do one at a time, I do believe. Let's just kind of see where we are here. All right, you have got a hole right here, and you want to kind of like put this in almost backwards. Let's just kind of see. The Weber direction aren't really too cool here. Okay, so just like that. Let me snap it in like this. And you're going to get your other one over here. Fit that in. And just kind of work it down. That okay. All right, we have our 2 cotter pins, right? Next step, you want to get your wheels and get them on. Let me show you the cotter pin action here. Alrighty. Alright, we got our cotter pins in. Of course, our little cap's going to go over here on your stable leg. Alright, so these little hubcaps just going to clip right in. Pretty easy peasy. Flip this bad boy over. Classic Weber ash catcher, right? This is kind of clips in there. Good. All right, the classic Weber Master Touch handle goes here. Just be careful, this is just plastic, hard plastic. If you over tighten this, you will crack this. Okay, so you got 2 parts, basically gonna go like this. That's all. There we go. All right, so I see here Weber included this little tightening tool, this little wrench tool. So that's a nice little touch by Weber. You want to locate this part here. Remove these 2 screws here. And now I would guess you have this little picture of a grill located here. So I'm guessing that this thing would go on like this so you can see that grill, right? It's just going to go on 2 screws like this. We'll get this tightened up and we'll bring you right back. All right, here's the handle here. Okay, it looks like we're going to flip this over. We got these 2 screws there, these 2 holes there. Flip this over. All right, I look for this next step. I would definitely consider taking out the big boy tools, and this I believe is a 7/16. All right, it looks like what you want to do here is you got this little black handle here or mechanism here. You want this facing down, okay? So you got your hood upside down, and you want this facing down. And basically these two, you got these two holes here. This is going to basically fit on like this. I seem to, and you got this roll single, although this isn't that bad at all. Let's see if I can swing this around. See the brace there. I'll make final tightening after I make sure everything lines up, right? Okay, so I'm just going to hand tighten them. So just hold this here, and I'll tighten these up. Grab this. All right, that should be good. Thanks. Whoops. Fuck. Good.
Good?
Yeah, thanks. There we go. There's a nice little touch here. This is for your eye grills. I got the eye grill too, so I guess that's going to sit right on there. That's a nice little touch by Weber. Has a little clip that sits in. You just want to make sure that you're spin that right there so it's facing the right way. And there you have it. Alrighty, look, and that is it. This was not that difficult to put together. We have to make a couple adjustments on the hood there, and we'll be doing some cooks on this soon. Listen, if you like this Weber Master Touch 22-inch premium video, I'm going to drop a couple more videos over there. You check those out. And until next time, we will see you soon.